Hi, this is Tim Mueller, Senior Product Manager with Overtone, and I want to take some time to show you the latest drill down enhancements in OpenMic version 5.6. I'm looking at a gaming channel here, so really centered around the video game industry, and I'm looking at the last 3 weeks or so, the 30th through the 21st of October. The volume looks like just over 1 million records have come in for those few weeks. Here's the sentiment, so kind of flat, going up a little bit with the positive tone there. I've got data coming in from Facebook, Twitter, forums like GameSpot, EA, so multiple sources. Here's my top authors. I've got some emerging topics coming in, so new things like Medal of Honor, the Netflix disc on the Wii. There's lots of buzz around that, so new hot topics for the game industry. The category conversation is interesting. I'm seeing lots of talk about the new motion controller offerings from Microsoft and PlayStation. So really seeing their new hardware offerings come out to compete with the Nintendo Wii controller. I'll go ahead and click on Microsoft Kinect to drill down here. So this is the new drill down page. So the first thing you'll see up top here is this trend widget. So we're showing you things over time. The blue line represents whatever you're drilling down on, the volume. So for this example, it's the category Microsoft Kinect. So it looks like it kind of goes up here on the first and continues to go down. The red and green is the sentiment for this category. So I can actually mouse over and see what the detail is on the sentiment there. I can turn things on and off on this trend chart. So for example, maybe I want to look at a trend line on the volume. So now I can see that the slope's kind of going down. I can turn on mixed sentiment, for example, and maybe turn off positive, turn off negative. So lots of control here. Over here on the right, I've got the ability to break out this drill down. So I'm looking at the category Microsoft Kinect. And now maybe I want to see what is the top site that these are coming from. So I'll look at site name, add that. I can see that most of the conversation is coming from Twitter, and then game trailers, and then Facebook on down the board. What about who's talking the most? So I can say who's the top author. I can add that and see the top authors talking about Microsoft Kinect. I can even do other categories. So I can say within Microsoft Kinect, what other things are they mentioning, and add that. And it looks like they're also talking about the 360 Slim, Nintendo Wii, cost, so all sorts of things. I can toggle these breakout widgets by volume and sentiment. So maybe I want to look at sentiment there. I can show those. Over here in the middle, this is the verbatim window, so I'm actually seeing the verbatim for this category, Microsoft Kinect. I'm seeing highlighted cues that meet the categories, like this is Kinect highlighted there, for example. I actually have a link back to the thread on all of these verbatim, so if I want to go look at this post within Facebook, I can click on it there. So next to each verbatim, you'll see an icon telling you which source it's coming from, so whether that's Facebook, Twitter, message boards, RSS, feedback, anywhere it'll show you where that's coming from. So this drill down, I really can keep clicking and drilling down on anything I want. So you're really kind of looking for, the root cause on your category or attribute, whatever you're drilling down on. So Microsoft Kinect, this is really about that new motion hardware offering from Microsoft. So now I want to look at, it looks like most of it's coming from Twitter and then game trailers. So it looks like there's a lot of negative from game trailers. So I can actually click on this, and now I'm going to go another level deeper, and now I'm within the Microsoft Kinect category and just the game trailers forums. So I can see the comments here, and now I can see the top authors within this slice of the drill down. So I keep going down. I can see the other categories here as well. And let's say, for example, I only want to see the negative comments for this site on this category. It looks like there's a spike here on negative on the 13th. I'll mouse over that and click on those 15, and now you'll see the actual those 15 negative comments come back. There's a little icon next to each of the verbatim that says what the sentiment was. I can also do search on the verbatim here in the drill down, and this is full text search, so I can do and conditions, phrases, all sorts of stuff. So let's, for example, I'll look for the word copy. There's a lot of mentions of people saying that the Kinect was a copycat of the Wii controller, so I can look for copy. You can see it actually pull out the stems. So I search for copy, but it'll actually highlight copied and obviously copy, and I can see those down here. So once I kind of get to the verbatim I want, I can actually take action on these. I can click on the thread URL to go to the actual post online, or I can export. So maybe I want to just export these verbatim that I'm seeing here. I click on the export button, and I'll have the ability to choose everything in the drill down or just what's on this page. I can do Excel, CSV, and even change the layout. So really actionable with those controls in there. So lots of stuff you can do within this drill down page, and I can go ahead and navigate back to the dashboard, and now anytime I drill down, it's going to remember my settings. So I turned on positive, negative, volume, and some of those breakout widgets. Now next time I drill down, maybe on PlayStation Move, it's going to remember those same settings. So it really is customizable by user. So this new drill down page is available on any dashboard drill down and also any report drill down. You're going to get this same drill down interface. So it's universally used throughout the OpenMic application. That's what I wanted to show you guys today, and thanks for checking it out. If you have any more questions, please see us at overtone.com.